One of the major problems we have where children are treated at home and when things turn bad, then they rush. This child is a victim. This is a serious problem we have here.
The Firestone Clinic Pediatric Ward is often the best hope to save an ailing child. Dr. Afonso Neymar says the work is difficult at times, but he has seen his share of miracles. Children who come to the clinic very sick, but with treatment get better and leave healthy.
The rewarding part of the job is that you see a patient, you admit a patient, you treat the patient comes in desperate conditions, and the child gets better. It's pleasing.
Providing quality health care for employees and their dependents is a top priority at the Firestone Natural Rubber Operations in Liberia. The Firestone medical staff receives approximately 9,000 patient visits a month. Most are here at the clinic. But there are also mobile clinics where doctors and nurses can treat patients in outlying neighborhoods and at schools.
What we have here in Liberia is a business, but more importantly, we have a responsibility, a social responsibility to the people, our teammates here, to make life better.
Progress is very visible now at Firestone Liberia. The pace of rebuilding is impressive after 14 years of war that left the country in shambles. The hospital that was gutted in the destruction is being rebuilt.
I feel good. I actually feel good. I can tell you that 1 year ago when I walked into this facility, I felt hopeless. And today, for us to walk in and see such an improvement, it's encouraging. I know that, again, there's a brighter day ahead for us.
The new Dewside Hospital will give the Firestone medical staff the resources and equipment it needs to greatly enhance the medical services it can provide to Firestone employees and to the people of Liberia.
We see a very bright future for this facility, for the Liberian people, because it takes me back to the time it once was one of the best in this country, where services to the people were quite good.
We have a great team here. They're doing a great job. They're working as hard as they can. We're trying to provide them all the resources we can, right down to the individual Bridgestone Firestone teammate in the United States. And I think we'll see great things in the coming years.
The impact of the Firestone Medical Services has reached far beyond Firestone. People have come from across the country to Firestone when they had no other options. People like Denise Dway, who came from Monrovia when they were unable to treat her cancer. Although she's not a Firestone employee, she received life-saving treatment at the Firestone Clinic.
I appreciate the doctors and nurses here, really. So I think, I don't know what to say, that's all. I appreciate them. I'm so happy of them.
T-Max Gelate is a local radio personality. He also came to Firestone from Monrovia with a deadly infection. He's convinced the doctors at Firestone saved his life.
Had I gone to any hospital other than this hospital, I would have died Saturday the 7th of May. I knew that.
As the country rebuilds, there are two fundamental social services that are vital: good schools and quality health care.
I see the next few years as one in which the example set by Firestone in restoring this facility to a very useful one will be followed or emulated by other companies that intend to do business with Liberia. And I look forward to it.
This is an important time for the people of Liberia. Now that the fighting has stopped, healing has begun. Amid the ruins of war, a new hospital is taking shape, and with it, new optimism about the future of Liberia.